For those of you that don't know much of Lion Creations and how we got to grow in the Jacksonville community, we're gonna get a little intimate, as we like to say, so you can know the behind the scenes and our story. Lion Creations is family owned. It became a dream of our mother, Maria Vasquez, and she had a dream of always having a kitchen and a business. They've always been business owners. And they had a family of five, three sisters, husbands, spouses, and of course my father, Eduardo Velez, who nowadays doesn't no longer work in the kitchen, as we've been serving the community for 14 years. How this began. I want to say that when you come and support Lion Creations, you're coming to not only eat great food, but you're coming to support a dream that was based off of love, and a dream that is family owned. And not only that, but an example of when you put yourself to do something, it is not impossible. Because never in a million years did Lion Creation trust and believe that we were going to be at this capacity. So follow me to the back. So let's go back 14 years ago. We started Lion Creations in Flea Market, yes, which we so love. We are true flea market lovers still till this day. I still visit the Jacksonville Beach Flea Market and I have a bunch of fun. But not only that, I also get nostalgic because we remember that that's where we started. And something that we grew up to do is to always understand and learn that never forget where you came from. And we never forget where we come from, and that's where our humble hearts come from. For 3 years, we worked at the flea market over on Beach Blvd. We were thankful enough that we were able to work the kitchen business for 2 days a week. And then we grew, we were able to get a little money, get a little funds, and then Lion Creations grew to a hole in the wall, is what they used to call us, right? So we love that hole in the wall. Everybody knows that, no offense, because that's where you eat really, really good culture food. So we managed the hole in the wall for about 4 years, and our customers and clients were like, hey, we need more parking, hey. So we definitely knew that we are at that capacity. At that point, we outgrew the location of Dean Road. So long story short, we put on our big girl panties, as we said, and we decided, I guess it's time for a move. And we made that jump. We were very nervous. We did not know the community would support us this much and to this capacity. And so we were able to make the move from Dean Road to St. John's Bluff area. After being in St. John's Bluff for 6 years, we decided, guess what, guys? We're growing out again. The community continues to support our great flavors, our great tradition, our family-owned company, because this was a dream come true made out of love. So we are extremely grateful and thankful for all of our customers who have followed us all the way from the flea market and have been our customers for 14 years. So when you think, why does Lion Creations have so many great deals, is because we love our customers and we understand things are getting high priced, but we do not want to break that tradition, and we still want to show you not only love from our hearts and our good food and our flavors, but also love in your pocket. So not everything goes out, right? So come on in, come to Lion Creations, enjoy an amazing meal. It's not processed, everything is freshly baked, guys, and above all, everything is made from love, from our kitchen to your table.